y'all, let's just say this is a hangover vlog. This is just not okay. We got skin. Wow, that's really gross. Yeah, guys, don't stop watching me just because my nose wants to do that. I'm sorry. Oh. I can't. My birthday was yesterday. I'm trying not to show you my crazy room. But my birthday was yesterday. And, ooh, dizzy. And let's just say I had a lot of fun. I had a blast, actually. If you follow me on Instagram and you've seen my story, you probably saw that I had a great time. And that great time resulted into this, hence the title, my hangover vlog. Okay, so, I had a great day, great night. Thank you to everybody that came, and I appreciate you. Like, seriously, I love you guys so much. And it was just a great time. Good vibes, good everything. Okay, I need to rest because I'm going out to eat with Kwani, Shwani, and his parents. He doesn't want to be on camera. You don't have to be. You trying to run from it? Cutie, cutie, cutie! Okay, guys, let me just say how supportive my boyfriend is. I was just saying, I was like, oh my gosh, like, I'm just so hungover. He was like, go get your camera. You need to film this. I was like, me being hungover? He was like, yeah. So, he's some of my inspo. He's some of my inspo. He's just so cute. He's giving me massage. Guys, he is so freaking thoughtful. He got me a massager. Like, I always ask for him to give me a massage. Please do not look up there. It's my birthday weekend, so it's just a lot going on here. Mom, don't judge me. But it's so cool. So look, so this is the massager itself. It's by Renfo. I'm going to find it and link it down in case anybody else is interested because I just love it. He got it off of Amazon, so I'm sure like you'll be able to find it. Or I'm going to find it for you. But it's really nice. So this is what it looks like. And like this thing right here can come off because it has different little different components. Different style of massagers for different things. And it has like a little station, a charging station, and a charger. So you don't need batteries, honey. But I was so excited. He was like, I know exactly what I'm getting you for your birthday. And then I just never had an idea. I was just like, I thought it was going to be something like having to do with candles, because I love candles, but I just wasn't expecting it, and I'm just so excited. But I did let him know, like, don't think this is going to eliminate me asking you to give me a massage, because, you know. You're still going to give me massages. Oh, hello. Red hair. Yes. This is here. This is it. This is it. But, yeah. I got red hair for my birthday. This is my first time having a closure, guys. I'll show you later when I, get myself together. This is still last night's makeup, and it's, 2 o'clock. So, let me just tell you how that's going. It's really it's bright, period. But on the camera, it looks more red. And then in person, it's berry type. It's Raging Red and Crimson by Adore, if you get the idea. Because, Raging Red has hints of pink in it, pink undertones. And then Crimson is just that bright red that you're probably seeing on the camera. We went to the store and I got some Gatorade, ginger ale, water, and cereal. And so I'm about to eat some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We're watching the Jets and Redskins game. He's a Redskins fan. I'm a Dallas fan, just so you can know for the future in case you ever want to like send me some like Dallas, you know, Dallas Cowboys sponsor me. But yeah, I'm about to eat this little cereal and chill for the next 2 hours, and then I'm gonna get ready. We're going to his house because I'm going to eat with his family. So it's 2 o'clock, and I'm about to just chill. I'll start getting ready like around 4. I can't believe I still have my makeup on. I don't ever sleep with my makeup on, y'all, ever. But last night, it was my birthday. A little, you know, just a little bit.
No.
If it's,
come on, man.
Because they love that. Did you guys like that pranking video?
No, I'm just. Oops. I'll see you later.
I'm doing too much moving. I don't feel good, y'all. But oh my Lanta. This is so bomb. I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm sorry. Quan set the camera up. He was all proud. He was like, "That's a good angle, huh? That's a good one." You good, boo? Yeah, I'm good. I forgot my camera, y'all, but it's like 5:20. It's almost 5:30 for real. I set my alarm for 4 to wake up and woke up at 5, so now we are on the way to his house to meet up with his parents. We're gonna go to Guapo's, get some Mexican. I'm so tired, still feel like oops, but it's all good, right? Right.
Wow. Chicken, yeah. It look juicy as a mom. It's zip. Did you see the pork? No need the pork game. Look at that.
I'd like to get Estoy tan enamorado de la negra.
We're back home from dinner. We stopped by Nicole's.
Oh, dappered up. I look stupid.
You look good. I'm dapper up? How am I dapper up? I don't have no makeup on.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I have my eyebrows, but I don't have no makeup on. But it's not like concealer. Whatever. What'd you just say? You talking crap when I walk away? Okay. Oh. Alright. So, I'm going to show you my other little gifts I got. So cute. So, Quan's mom got me this shirt. It's like a see-through mesh shirt with polka dots on it. So cute. So I will wear it like a tank top underneath or just a bra. And then this is a Stella McCartney like Adidas like fitted long sleeve. It's so cute. It's like athleisure. So you can wear it to work out or you can wear it with some jeans. But I have an idea in mind on how I want to style this. Like with some cute joggers. I think I got some camo print joggers from Windsor. I haven't looked yet. But I wear that with some cute, like, I want some cute sneakers, boo. That, and then Nicole, now this is just so freaking cute. I'm into like crystals and stuff like that, but it's a little pyramid, okay? And then, oh my gosh, I love this. It comes with like different crystals. So here's one, and like you just place the crystals on the pyramid, and there's a bag with like all the other little crystals. It's based off of like Scorpio, so it's like the crystals to help channel like your inner Scorpio. So it's really, really cool. Oh, and then, oh my gosh, I got a freaking candle. Bed Bath & Beyond. I mean, Bath & Body Works. Champagne Toast. Y'all, I love this scent. I have a hand soap from them, and then Quan's mom had gave me another soap. So it's like, no, she gave me both soaps. Yeah, and literally, they're both in the bathroom, and I literally just go back and forth and use them both. I'm excited, and it's pretty. I'm just so happy. They're just like the best. Best. We should do a story time and like tell you guys, have Quan on there so he can tell you like my birthday shenanigans. Oh, update on the Hangover. So, I'm a little fine right now. I feel extra like I'm so sleepy, like I'm really tired. And I'm so happy I don't have any makeup on, so I don't have to wash my face. Because I washed my face before we went out. And yeah, I'm just tired. I'm really, really tired. I'm gonna take some Alka-Seltzer. Quan's dad was telling me that to avoid a hangover, this is what you guys have to do. Like when he says you have to try, like no matter how drunk you are, just get a little bit of water, because you know that's all Alka-Seltzer takes. Drop it in there, drink the Alka-Seltzer, you won't have a hangover in the morning. So even though like I feel okay, but I'm not like 100%, I'm still gonna do it tonight so I can like feel even better by the morning, because I gotta go to work tomorrow. Yes, so cute, so happy. Best birthday ever, and I'm excited to see how this year goes. And I'm going to LA this Thursday, so that'll be a whole nother video. But yeah, and I miss my pumpkin. I miss her so much. But I guess I'm about to just chill, y'all, and get ready for bed. You have to say see ya.
See ya.
He encouraged me to do this, and he just wants to hide from the camera.
Don't put me in it, put yourself in it.
Why can't you go in there? Yeah, Mike and Ike's? When'd you get Mike and Ike's? But okay, so I will see you in the next video.